Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to export or how to scrap AliExpress products into CSV, and you can import them later into WooCommerce or Shopify or Amazon or anywhere you want. But first, we will get it into CSV. So first of all, open this website, scrapanywebsitedata.com, and start scrapping and click on AliExpress. Okay, once you are on this page, just click on download Chrome extension and add this extension to your Google Chrome browser, because this website will only work on Google Chrome. Okay, once you install this, let's close and refresh this page and you will be able to see the AliExpress scrapper now. Okay, now let's go to AliExpress and search for the products you want to add into your CSV. Okay, let me search for handheld game console. You can add some filters like all, Japanese, US, or Espanol, or anything, or you can select IP. You can choose minimum maximum price. So any filter you want to add, just click that and it will be embedded into the URL. Now let's copy the URL, and please remember that the USD, the currency will be according to your selected currency here. If you want to change the currency, just change it from here and then copy the URL. Okay, once you copy the URL, go to this AliExpress product scrapper again and paste it here. I'll also leave this link into the description, the YouTube video description. Okay, get product URL list and wait for it. In 2 or 3 seconds, it will get all the single product list URLs here, and then click on start scrap and leave the mouse and keyboard and wait for it. It will start crawling all these products one by one and will add that data into the CSV for you. So just wait, do not touch anything. If you click anywhere or you close this tab or you open a new tab, then this scrapping process will be stopped. So please do not touch anything and wait for it to be completed. Each product page will take approximately 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, that's enough data to show you how to export it into CSV. You should not close this, but I am closing it because I will just show you how you can export that CSV. Okay, now scroll down after the products are finished. Scroll down to the bottom and click on generate CSV. Okay, now get CSV and save it on your PC. Let's open the CSV file and we have everything here: the SKU, title, short description, image, description, price, and the original URL from where it got the AliExpress data. So this is how you can get data from AliExpress to CSV, and this is the website scrapanywebsitedata.com. Please remember this full domain because it's a new domain and maybe not on Google yet. So just type scrapanywebsitedata.com. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.